What are you claiming?
Claiming of the appointment of the on the post of the assistant teacher, your lordship, that region
अर्थशास्त्र विषय में शिक्षक पद पर
on the post of the on the subject in the subject of the economics.
he has applied his mind so thoroughly, the director.
Ji, director.
He has taken pains to pass an order.
Ji, such order. Such order has been also passed by
And
the
it
director.
has to be appreciated.
Ji.
That panel was scrapped.
Scrap. He returned back कर दिया गया.
Then what is your right?
Thereafter the no.
Once a panel is prepared.
From the question of the annexure 9, your lordship, that the petitioner was applied in the year 1995 on the post of the assistant teacher, and thereafter the writ application has been also filed as per the annexure 6, your lordship, and the order has been also filed, and the last order has been, it is made clear that the order of this court under the review shall not come in the way of the petitioner to claim such party. This review application is disposed of, so and so, and thereafter, your lordship, the review petition has been also filed at the page number 21 and the annexure 8, your lordship, last review. That is the so and so.
No, what are you claiming?
Claiming of the appointment of the on the post of the assistant teacher, your lordship, that region
अर्थशास्त्र विषय में शिक्षक पद पर
on the post of the on the subject in the subject of the economics, your lordship.
Of the year?
And other subject has been also
Of the year?
in the year, that advertisement is the 1995, your lordship. I have also filed in the 2015, your lordship. And prior to that, your lordship, the several time of the traveling of that, your lordship, and the several direction has been also given. And thereafter, after your lordship, the last order of the annexure 9 has been also passed by the
that much water has flown
naturally.
Ganges and gone into the
last जी हम
Bay of Bengal. We will not say to the sea.
अब क्या हुजूर तो यही लास्ट पारा नंबर 7 of the region order at the page number 23, your lordship, I have read that जहां तक याचिका के अनुलग्नक संख्या 3 में पारित आदेश का प्रश्न है कि समीक्षा से यह स्पष्ट हुआ कि अनुलग्नक संख्या 3, जिसके द्वारा जीव विज्ञान गणित विषय में विद्यालय सेवा बोर्ड से प्राप्त पैनल के आधार पर माननीय उच्च न्यायालय एवं सर्वोच्च न्यायालय के आदेश पर जीव विज्ञान ऑब्लिक गणित के सहायक शिक्षक पद पर नियुक्ति की गई थी, उक्त विषय से प्रसंगाधीन अर्थशास्त्र विषय से कोई समानता नहीं है, क्योंकि प्रसंगी अर्थशास्त्र विषय का पैनल 2000 में विभाग में प्राप्त हुआ था और जांच के क्रम में पैनल का अनियमितता पाए जाने के कारण विभागीय पत्रांक सो के द्वारा विद्यालय सेवा बोर्ड को पैनल वापस कर दिया गया। विद्यालय सेवा बोर्ड से पुनः अर्थशास्त्र विषय में कोई पैनल प्राप्त नहीं हुआ और नियोजन नियमावली 2006 प्रभावित होने के उपरांत नियमित वेतनमान के शिक्षकों के नियुक्ति का प्रावधान समाप्त करते हुए विभाग के स्तर से सहायक शिक्षक के पद पर नियुक्ति के अधिकार को नियत वेतन में नियुक्ति हेतु पंचायती राज संस्थाओं को अधिकार दिया गया। इस प्रकार जीव विज्ञान एवं गणित विषय में माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय के आदेश का लाभ अर्थशास्त्र विषय में देने का कोई
He has applied his mind so thoroughly, the director.
Ji, director.
He has taken pains to pass an order.
Ji, such order. Such order has been also passed by
the
director.
It has to be appreciated.
Ji, that is the, your lordship, the one panel.
But what is the illegality in this order?
Ji, just come, your lordship. That's at the page number annexure 5, at the page number 15, the panel has been also given by the economics department, in which the name of the roll number has been also mentioned in
but that panel was scrapped.
Scrap, he returned back कर दिया गया.
Then what is your right?
Thereafter the no.
Once a panel is prepared.
Prepared.
If it would have been acted upon for one or the other, then your right is created. Otherwise, no.
The panel has been also returned back to the department for the further sending of the making of the panel and sent to the department. But the department has no sent to the another panel after inquiry. That is the no fault of the petitioner, your lordship. Other subject has been also appointed in the गणित and the other subject में जो appointment है. ये तो दुर्भाग्य है कि पैनल डिपार्टमेंट के द्वारा नहीं भेजा गया.
दुर्भाग्य तो फिर कोर्ट तो नहीं करता ना दुर्भाग्य में.
तो ये तो रीजन
ऑर्डर doesn't come in picture of
the proper or region or
that is fate. And fate and court do not match together.
ये कह रहे हैं कि गलत पैनल बनाया गया, तो panel कौन बनाया? Who is the person for the making of the panel? That is the department has been.
That is to be inquired into.
जी. तो ये तो हम.
How does it create a right in your favor? Whether they conducted inquiry or not?
No inquiry has been.
Whether they have conducted it or not conducted it, how does it make a case in your favor?
That is the my case.
Admittedly, that panel is wrongly prepared.
Wrongly prepared. That is returned back to the department for the further no.
The petitioner had participated in the selection process for appointment on the post of teacher in economics.
Anil Kumar likhti na petition.
Issued. Notification whereof was issued on 29/11/94. It is the case of the petitioner that he was placed in the panel prepared of selected candidates by the concerned board in the year 2000. The said panel on 13th March 2000 was sent to the higher officials for implementation and appointment, but the department found irregularities and illegalities in the preparation of such a panel, and after inquiry it returned the same to the School Education Board by its letter dated 20th February 2001. Whereafter the School Education Board did not send a fresh panel to the department. Learned Counsel submits that non-sending of the panel by the School Education Board would not deprive the petitioner's right of consideration for appointment. And as similarly placed persons appointed in the science and mathematics
जीव विज्ञान and गणित
were offered appointment subsequently. The petitioner too should be considered. He had preferred earlier a petition before this court, wherein the court directed him to file a representation, and a decision has been taken by the director on 10/12/2014 rejecting his claim, and he has therefore filed this writ petition assailing the order rejecting his claim dated 10/12/2014, as well as he prays for seeking appointment. Para. In Shankaran Das, the constitutional bench held as under para 7 uska quote kar dijiye. Thus, no person has a right of appointment. The only right available is for consideration for appointment. At the same time, the employer can take a decision not to fill up the post, and such decision would not be amenable to judicial review. It is only if the appointment of any person is given from the panel that a case of discrimination can be said to be made out. Admittedly, the panel prepared for appointment of teachers in economic subject was already scrapped. No fresh panel was prepared. At the same time, after 2006, new rules came into force, whereby the mode of appointment was changed, and the right of appointing teachers was handed over to the concerned panchayat units, treating them as separate employment units. In these circumstances, the respondents have rejected the representation of the petitioner In the opinion of this court, no interference on account of above reasons is warranted in such a decision. Writ petition is wholly misconceived, is